Now, taking meeting notes is the worst. You're either scribbling like crazy, missing important details, or spending hours afterwards trying to make sense of your notes. And if you're in back to back meetings, forget it. But what if I told you there's a solution? Meet HiDock H1, the world's first ChatGPT powered audio doc that makes taking notes a thing of a past. Now to connect it to your computer, you just need to use the USB-C to USB-C cable and select the HiDock H1 to your input and output. Now this is where the HiDock H1 shines. During meetings, you simply press the HiDock key to highlight the important moments. Now afterwards, upload the recording to HiNotes, the HiDocs companion app, and watch it generate an AI-powered summary in seconds. Now I think the HiNotes that is compatible with the HiDock H1 is a game changer. It doesn't just transcribe. It organizes and summarizes your notes using over 20 tailored templates for, different professions. Whether you're a marketer, project manager, or student, there's a template for you. Now, maybe you need some specific insights. The High Note lets you customize summaries, add vocabulary for accuracy, and even translate in 57 languages. Oh, did I mention it integrates seamlessly with platforms like Notion or Google Docs? Now, most noise canceling tech only works on maybe your end. The HiDock H1's bidirectional noise cancellation goes further, filtering noise on both ends of the call for crystal clear conversations. And of course, you can connect it via Bluetooth by just clicking the side button right here.
Pairing.
So you could see in the bottom there, HiDock H1.
The first device is connected successfully.
Nice. So now you can take phone calls from your phone using the HiDock H1. Let's see. So right now I can hear the car.
It's probably my fan.
That's good. Talk again.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah, it's good. And then I don't hear the road. Now, whether you're on a call with a client, in a cafe, or maybe brainstorming with a colleague at home, HiDoc ensures your conversations are distraction free. Now, of course, the HiDoc H1 isn't just, smart, it's practical. With 11 ports, you can connect dual 4K HDMI monitors, access 2.5 gigabits per second Ethernet, and transfer files quickly using the SD and the micro SD slots. It also has two USB-A slots and one USB-C 10 gigabits per second, and also a charger on the other side right here that has the 18-watt fast charging slot as well. And actually, I think it's a one-stop solution to keep your desk organized while boosting your productivity. Now, the HiDoc H1 isn't just for meetings, it's perfect for capturing creative ideas during brainstorming sessions. It's great for taking notes from online lectures or training. It's also great for recording feedback during business calls and even organizing personal conversations like family memories. Now, no matter what the use case might be, HiDoc H1 simplifies it. So, what do you think? Personally, I think the HiDock H1 is the device for anyone who values productivity and efficiency. I love how it just has the AI powered note taking as a lifetime free transcription and a versatile docking station feature, which I'll be able to use when I'm editing videos. It's definitely next level. Now, for those of you, you might think that this is just a tool, right? but I think it's a productivity game changer. If you're ready to stop stressing over notes and start focusing on what matters, grab the HiDock H1 today. Everything will be linked down in the description below, so it helps the channel a lot if you buy it from there. Now, thanks for watching, everyone. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Let me know how you would use the HiDock H1 in your workflow. Also, this video is recorded from the HiDock H1. So how do you like the audio? Not bad, right? Until next time, stay productive. Peace.